Hi guys, so I'm back with this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week we are talking about everybody's favorite teddy bears, and I've got this really cool teddy bear mask that you can create. And you know, days when you don't really feel like doing much, you can just be a teddy bear. So when you come by the library, whether you're coming in or just doing curbside checkouts, you're gonna get this sheet of paper right here and a couple little pieces of yarn so that you can tie it. It's a very simple one. You can color it whatever color you like, whatever your favorites are, so you will need your handy box of crayons. Once you've colored it, of course, you will cut it out. The trickiest part, of course, are the eye holes. Mom or dad might want to help you get those just right. And then you'll hole punch the sides and tie your yarn right through there. If you've got some elastic at home, you could use that too. That way you could just put it on one time and not have to retie it every time. But elastic is hard to come by these days with all the masks that are being made. So you too can be a teddy bear. What color will your teddy bear be? I can't wait to see it. Bye.